trying to set a record here, so gotta move, gotta go quick. Super close to record pace. All right, it's 6 a.m. August 6th, start of the Peak-nic. Here we go. Clock is going. That's the official clock. And then GPS watch. Here we go. Woo. And they're off. And we got no takers this year, which that's okay. Things happen. People don't like getting up early. It's cooler, especially for August, but yeah, it'll be good. Buffalo, pretty good headwind, making it a little tougher, but pushing it pretty good here. Yeah, this wind is brutal though. Keep it up. We got crowds of people lining the road. Woo! All right, down to the lake here, and then the swim. It's a little cold. Just gotta go for it. All right, man. All right, on to the run. To the lake. Right, into the wilderness. The final stretch. And we're up in the clouds. Whew. Gotta go right up there. Up the last bit of stuff. I think this is the worst my legs have felt out of all the times doing this. Really feeling it. Made it. Hour 28 per pound. The classic protein, peanut butter protein, oatmeal ball. So yeah. Whew, I'm tired though. My legs are killing me. Time to head back down. Here we go. Alright, leaving the lake into town, the last hard hill. Oh, my legs are feeling just about cramp. It's been long downhill. Finished. Oh boy, I am dead tired. Yeah. 2 hours, 40 minutes. Made it back. Set the record. The pit crew came. They made it. Woo! Hey, buddy. That's a wrap on the Peak-nic. Set a new record. 2 hours, 40 minutes, 10 seconds. So roughly 2 minutes faster than previous record. 3 minutes faster than last year. Yeah, overall. It was really good, but it's so challenging, especially pushing, trying to beat the previous time. It's challenging, but that's why I do it. Yeah, hopefully we'll see you out there next year.